Hey there, is your iPhone giving you a hard time and not charging? Don't worry, you're not alone, and I've got you covered. Let's fix this in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Check your charger and cable. First things, you can check your charger and cable. Are there any tears, bends, or dirt on the connector? Try another charger or cable if you have one nearby. Sometimes, it's not your phone, but the cable that's the problem. Step 2. Clean the charging port. Next up, check your phone's charging port. Dust, lint, or debris can sneak in there over time. Grab a toothpick or something non-metallic and gently clean it out. Be careful, though don't go poking too hard. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. Finally, try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes, a quick reboot can fix minor glitches. If that doesn't work, make sure your iPhone's software is up to date. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe our channel.